This video is sponsored by Ritual. Hey babes, welcome back to another Designers video. Today we're going to be doing my cozy morning routine. Honestly, this is no different from my other morning routines. However, I have implemented some new things just to add to the cozy vibes. So as always, we're starting in the bed. I like to naturally wake up, so I do not have an alarm clock. I generally get up around 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Yes, girl, I do. I just gradually wake up, like just easing myself into the morning. I will check my phone. I know that's like a bad habit, but I do it, girl. And this is more of like a slow morning routine, so I don't really have anything, pressing that I have to do. As always, I just give Zane's rubs and kisses in the morning. Now, of course, we are going to be making my bed. I generally make my bed every day unless like I'm in a mood and I don't feel well, to be honest. But I do make it every day. It just helps like get my day started, make me not want to get back into bed. I know that's very cliche to say, but it is definitely very helpful for me. I also love spraying this mist. It's called Being Frenchy, I believe, and it's a hair, body, and linen mist. So I just love like just the way it makes my bed smell. I'll just spray it all over just to add some freshness to the sheets, and we'll continue to make the bed. Once the bed is made, I do head into the bathroom because it is time for me to go outside and walk Zane. So I'm just going to do my hair, girl, because I don't want to look crazy walking outside, and just kind of wash my face, do very minimal skin routine. And that's really doing the minimum. Like I'll just wash my face, just sunscreen, rose water, and I'll do my full skincare routine later on. As far as like how long Zane walks in the morning, it just really depends on the season. Because it is colder, he doesn't really get long walks, so anywhere from like maybe 5 to 10 minutes in the morning. This particular day, it wasn't that cold, so he didn't need like a sweater or anything on. And I just allow him to go and have his little time in the morning. Now, every time Zane goes outside, he does get wiped. I use these wipes that are really good. It does a really good job. I just wipe his face in the morning and then his paws every time he comes back from inside. And then I also use this deodorizing spray that I got from a local vendor here in Charlotte. It's supposed to be natural. I don't use this all the time, but I'll use it all over him and he loves it. You can just tell by his like tail wagging. He loves it. And then from there, I'll head into the kitchen, wash my hand, and get Zane's breakfast prepared. So after I finish taking care of Zane and preparing his food, it is now time for me to take care of myself and indulge in my mini self-care routine for the morning. As I've stated before, gut health is extremely important to me. Therefore, I've incorporated Ritual in my morning routine. Ritual is vegan friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and contains no added sugar. I am taking this daily 3-in-1 prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic supplement, which is designed to support gut, digestive, and immune health. Gut health is very important. So with your prebiotics, it's going to support the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria living in the gut. The probiotics are living microorganisms, and they are included to relieve like bloating, gas, and mild and occasional diarrhea. The postbiotic provides fuel to the cells that make up the gut lining and support gut barrier function. It is single nested in a minty capsule. It's designed to thrive. So it's a delayed release capsule designed to help reach the colon, not the stomach, which is an ideal place for probiotics to survive and grow. No refrigeration is needed. It is designed with moisture control bottle technology to protect probiotic strains. And just like all of Ritual's products, the Symbiotic Plus boasts a clean formula that's vegan friendly, formulated without GMOs, major allergens, and animal products or artificial colors. So if you want to start your gut health journey today, Ritual is offering 20% off your first month using my code iDESIGN8. Yes, 20% off during your first month by going to ritual.com/iDESIGN8 and using code iDESIGN8 at checkout. This will be linked in the description box below. And thank you again, Ritual, for sponsoring this video. So now we're going to continue on with my morning routine. I do like to implement every 2 to 3 days these immunity shots just to try to make sure that my immune system is where it needs to be. Again, taking in the proper nutrients for my body. Now it's time to make breakfast. I ain't gonna lie, girl, this is giving a weekend, okay? A weekend breakfast. But I really wanted to show you guys this new festive waffle maker that I got. Oh my gosh. So we are gonna be making some pancakes and sausages with my new waffle maker, and it's just so cute, girl. It's just too cute. It just really gets me in the holiday spirit. Now, of course, we have to make a cup of coffee. This would not be a cozy morning routine if we did not make a cup of coffee. I'm more a iced coffee kind of girl, but we're gonna do hot coffee today. I had to bring my mug back from last year from Crate and Barrel because it just adds to the vibes. I tried to make it real cute and aesthetically pleasing, but I had to pour that caramel syrup because, girl, it took too long to just try and pump into this big cup. I'm doing something a little bit different where I'm adding some marshmallows and drizzle some caramel sauce over it and some sprinkles. And then I'm going to take my breakfast as well as my cup of coffee over to the living room. And this is where I'm just going to eat, kind of chill out, do a little bit of reflecting. Sometimes I'm on my phone while I'm eating breakfast, or I may just be watching TV. This particular day I was watching The View. My friends be calling me old, but girl, they be interesting. They be having some interesting topics on there. Then I'm going to grab my iPad and I'm going to start planning my day. And once I finish planning, it is time to get ready for the day. So here we are doing my shower and skincare routine. I am going to have a separate video to give you more detail on my shower and skincare routine coming soon. So stay tuned for that. But this is just a little overview of the shower and skincare routine. now we're putting my extensions in because we are going to do a little bit of recording, and bam girl, we ready for the day. Okay, look at her. Purr. So yes, now it's time for me to do my makeup. I'm going to record a few videos. By this time it's probably about like almost noon. So yeah, we're getting our day started, and that's pretty much it that I do for my morning. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Ritual in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.